In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove access from shared files. We'll do this using OneDrive on the web, and I'll guide you step by step so you can confidently control who can see your content. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for OneDrive. Click the official Microsoft OneDrive result to open the site. When you reach the sign-in page, type the email address associated with your OneDrive account, then click Next to sign in. Follow the prompts until you're in your OneDrive homepage. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and select My Files. This view shows your folders and documents. To quickly identify items you've shared, check the sharing column. It will indicate whether a file is private or shared. Find the file you want to manage and click that shared file to open its details. On the right side, you'll see a details area with tabs. Choose the People tab. This tab lists everyone who currently has access to the file. It's a clear way to review who can view or edit your content. To remove someone's access, locate their name, click the small arrow or drop down next to it, and choose Remove Access. That action immediately revokes their permission, so they'll no longer be able to open the file. If several people have access, repeat the same remove option for each person you want to take off the list. If you don't see anyone listed in the People tab, that simply means no one else currently has access. This can happen if you shared a link that hasn't been used yet, or if an invitation was never accepted. In that case, there's nothing to remove and your file remains private to you. A couple of quick tips as you work through this. Make sure you're selecting the correct file before changing access, especially if you have multiple versions or similar names. After you remove someone, the change is immediate, so you can refresh the page to confirm the list has updated. And if you ever change your mind later, you can always share the file again and grant access to the right people. That's all there is to it. You searched for OneDrive, signed in with your email, went to My Files, checked the sharing column, opened the shared file, and used the People tab to remove access. Follow these steps whenever you need to clean up sharing and keep your files secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.